Summer holiday season is in full swing, and our friend Chef Jamie Gwen is here to explain how to make a July 4th party pop. And she's got some good cooking and grilling tips that you need to know.
Chef Jamie Gwen here. Happy 4th to you. All right, chef's tip. You want multiple bursts of flavor at your July 4th gathering, right? Well, it's easy to do with Bush's baked beans. Whether the original or the brown sugar hickory, your favorite flavor, they do pair perfectly with hot dogs and hamburgers. For my 4th of July cookout, I'm making baked beans with burnt ends and bacon. The savory sweetness of the baked beans enhances the smoky flavors. Bush's zero sugar added baked beans, another great option featuring the iconic flavor you love without the added sugar. Whether you're serving them directly out of the can or adding your own spin on flavor, Bush's baked beans are incredibly versatile and will definitely enhance your 4th of July menu. Now, I love summer salads, and this is my Greek orzo salad made with Kalamata olives. I always add Pearl's specialty to everything because I can count on the quality. Each olive is hand-picked and adds fabulous flavor, from traditional black olives to the full line of imported specialties, including gourmet olives stuffed with garlic or blue cheese. And between now and July 31st, you can go to olives.com to enter to win a 10-day vacation for two to Greece, the home of Pearl's specialties olives. And lastly, when I think of summer, I'm a girl at the grill, and there's one common ingredient that makes every grilled dish amazing, and that is cheese. I look for organic dairy products with cleaner, simpler labels, such as Organic Valley. Their cheeses are natural from pasture-raised organic dairy cows that are raised without antibiotics, synthetic hormones, or harsh pesticides. They have an award-winning American cheese and recently introduced a spicy and a smoky cheddar, all of them fabulous on burgers. I love that Organic Valley is on a mission to save small, organic family farms. So look for more information and recipes at dailylounge.com. Happy 4th, and back to you.
Thanks, Chef.